Hello everyone, I'm Annie here and I'm back to show you another kit that I created. And this is the clip purse bag, and also with this teddy bear, and I love so I can't stop to use this image to create the kit. This is only one kit available as well, because I only have one of these beautiful clip purse. Okay, actually at first I thought I'd make this for myself, but anyway, if this kit no one will buy it, and I will keep this for myself. And I get inspired from the lady from France, and I don't know how to pronounce her name, and I purchased her. Let me to show you. Okay, I'm back, and can you see this store? You know which lady that I mentioned. Okay, and I saw her have one project that she ordered this kind of the vintage bag, and she used her handmade doll for the bag, and that get inspired from her. Actually at first I thought I'd make this one to glue this little ballerina mouse on top here, but anyway, because I have a pair here, if I glue this is very lonely. So I just keep it. Okay, so that's it. That's the reason I will sell this away. If no one will take this, I will keep it for myself, because I couldn't get this pattern of the bag anymore, and I keep this for so long in my stash. But anyway, see, because it's really beautiful. If you use this for this project, you can see, beautiful, right? If you glue this on top here and layer with the laces, and this lace, I use all these laces because it's goes so well with this kind of the projects with these laces, so I use this. Okay, so you can alter the dress as well if you want. And this background is beautiful, but if you want to cover with this lace, it will turn up beautiful. Like so. And I didn't order it, I just put the glitter. Okay, so you can order this and add the flowers. Beautiful. Okay, so let me to show you what inside. Actually the purse, I also mix another item inside the purse. Okay, I get these images from Pinterest, so it's actually quite matched with this, but the color is slightly different. This is like a gray, this is the peach color. So anyway, I use this, and actually I make this like a wallet or purse bow. Okay, and I include this button, so you can put the button for the clip. And I didn't glue it yet, because you have to measure the way. Maybe you alter the bow inside, it thicker or wider, so you can adjust. Okay, so this is the holder for this book. Okay, so yeah, the book here I just felt and fabric, and I print out this image also. And not image, these words of the dreamer, cherish wishes, dreams. So I purchased it from the Etsy shop also. So you can order this journal. Or in felt and fabric. So like so. Okay, so you get all this inside. I keep it inside the purse. And because I use the glue, it's very strong. Yes, smell. So I put one of these rose fragrance sachet inside this purse. Okay, and the purse is beautiful. You can see the layer with the fabric. So I put this here. So I order the teddy, and this is the laces. And now I'll show you what you include into the kit. Okay, so you have this. Of course, you will have the printable or this image. Or this image you can the size. I believe is quite nice. Oh, yeah. See. You can add this into the page, and also you can fussy cut all this to into the inside the page. Okay, so that's so. And yeah, same in the five. This one you got two, cause one is for you to put this. Okay, another 5 pattern is inside the book. Okay, I like the big size. The small size is too small. Yeah, anyway, like so. And flowers, you will have all these beautiful satin. Not satin, it's a I don't know how to call this. This kind of flower is beautiful. Match with this. Okay, and the small needed to that matching color. Okay, and the laces is almost the same with other kits, cause I love the soft color. To order this dress and put this one and this white tiny one and the slim one. Yeah, who miss out to get the lace bag kit, so you can get this one, because some other items is similar with the kit, because I use all these laces to alter the book. Same item, almost the same item, and these laces also. So you got enough to play with your kit with this, all these laces here. So yeah, that's it. This is only one. So yeah, please stop by to my kit group, and I will let you know the price and the shipping for this kit. Okay, and really hope you all like this, and just leave me a comment and let me know what do you think, and give me a big thumbs up if you like this kit. And bye bye.